Hi everyone, welcome. In our last lesson we were working with the verb haben in the present tense and how to accurately use the verb haben in German. If you haven't seen that lesson, lesson 93, you might want to go back and watch it before you watch this one, and this one will make much more sense. Let's review a little bit and then I'll show you the new information. First thing, remember that you have to absolutely memorize the forms of haben. It's an irregular verb, which means you have to memorize the forms. Native speakers memorize simply through practice, so we have the forms of our singular subject pronouns, and we have the forms of our plural subject pronouns. The next thing we learned about haben is when you use haben, you can't use the verb haben by itself. You have to have a noun that comes after it. The noun is considered the direct object. Direct objects in German are in what is called the accusative case. So the accusative case is simply a special set of forms of the nouns that you use when the noun is a direct object. It's pretty much that simple. We learned how to say things like, I have the pen, ich habe den Kuli. I have the clock, ich habe die Uhr. I have the photo, ich habe das Foto, and I have the photos, ich habe die Fotos, all in the accusative case. So what we are going to learn in this lesson is how to use haben and direct objects with not a definite article, but what we call an indefinite article. And what that simply means is we are going to learn how to say, I have a instead of I have the. So in all of these examples, I have the pen, the clock, the photo, the photos. Now we're going to learn how to say I have a pen, a clock, a photo, and simply photos. So you already know the nominative ein for masculine, ein Kuli, a pen, eine Uhr, a clock, ein Foto, a photo, and for plural just simply photos without the article. So here's the new information. When you want to say I have a, if the noun is masculine, ein becomes einen. Notice the en. Einen. Einen. For the feminine, it stays the same. Eine Uhr becomes eine Uhr. For neuter, ein Foto is ein Foto. And then plural, photos, photos are the same. So that's it. That's the new information. Now we can practice. If I want to say I have a pen in German, I would say ich habe einen Kuli. Einen. Ich habe einen Kuli. I have a watch or a clock. Ich habe eine Uhr. I have a photo. Ich habe ein Foto. And simply photos. I have photos. Ich habe Fotos. So remember, with the word the or definite articles, the only change is in the masculine. This is true also for indefinite articles. In other words, with the word a. If the noun is masculine, then there will be a change from ein to einen. All of the others remain the same. So the only thing that you really have to pay attention to is nouns that are masculine. In other words, nouns that take der. When you want to say a, the ein becomes einen. Let's practice a little more. We have our vocabulary here that we used the last time. So ein Bleistift is a pencil. Ein Computer, a computer. Ein Kuli, a pen. Ein Kalender, a calendar. Ein Rucksack, a backpack. Ein Tisch, a table. Ein Apfel, an apple. Ein Schlüssel, a key. Remember, the word at the top is in the nominative case, and the word at the bottom is in the accusative case, and that's the one that you need when you're using haben. So here we go. If I want to say I have a pencil, ich habe einen Bleistift. I have a computer, ich habe einen Computer. I have a pen, ich habe einen Kuli. I have a calendar, ich habe einen Kalender. I have a backpack, ich habe einen Rucksack. I have a table, ich habe einen Tisch. I have an apple, ich habe einen Apfel. I have a key, ich habe einen Schlüssel. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson and continue learning German, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.